Jeff. What can you say something
Something.
about me?
You are a faggot.
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm nobody, dude. Just here sitting in a cafe, drinking coffee, obviously, and then fucking around with you.
Say about Bicolanos posting shit on YouTube.
I don't know. They're just asking to be trolled, dude. Hi, you must be new to the internet. Welcome.
Welcome. Anyways, Urban Bicolano.
They're urban and they're Bicolano.
What is this? A question and answer portion or what?
I don't. You're asking, man. I'm just answering.
Do you have any answers, like not direct answer, like more than 2 words or more than 2 sentences?
Well, how about you suck my cock? Next question, please.
Okay. So global warming.
Global warming. Well, all I can say is it's hot,
Yeah.
but it's bullshit, dude. It's bullshit.
Bullshit. What else?
Next
What else?
time, get a list of questions and then we're gonna talk.
Hey, this is not supposed to be a question and answer. You should be answering like more.
You're asking me questions, dude.
Okay.
All I gotta do is answer it. I'm not here to make a song and dance and make a vlog or something.
Can you make a vlog for us?
No.
I'm gonna post this in YouTube, man.
Just post it. I don't give a fuck.
Okay. Do you miss rapping?
I miss rapping because it's the end of the Christmas and you have to open up the
Yeah.
wrappings.
How about God? Do you miss him?
Who the fuck is God, dude?
Yeah, same here.
You know?
Yo, I remember a band like Fuck You God.
Fuck you, God.
Yeah.
I know a band called I Hate God.
But Fuck You God.
E-Y-E. No, I haven't heard about it.
How about U.R.B.A.N God John?
U.R.B.A.N goddamn?
Yeah. Hey, can you introduce your girlfriend here?
Nah.
Yeah. Why?
She's shy.
Kasi bata-bata lang.
Bata-bata. Dude, ano na kami, mga 4 years na.
4 years, yeah. And yeah, there she is.
She's having a headache, dude.
About what? Us?
The LED.
Us?
We work nights. We hate light.
Like, so how about the med trans experience?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. And can you share something about the 20 diagnosis of one patient? Admission
I'd rather
diagnosis.
not, dude. It's patient confidentiality.
Oh, now you're learning.
Yeah. I'm not learning, dude.
You already know it.
I know it. I'm doing it.
What? So we're here in the coffee beanery and we suck.
Yeah.
Especially him.
No, he sucks. And
You
he
suck.
follows too.
But I'm not gay.
He's gay. Look at him. Just look at him, man. He's gay.
I'm retro, but I'm not gay.
Well, he's retro and he's gay.
I'm not gay.
Yeah, you're
Yes,
gay.
you are.
How about-
I mean, she agrees, dude.
wait.
She can tell-
Why
she can
don't
smell
we?
gay
Why
a mile
don't?
away.
Why,
Fuck you, dude. Where the fuck you at? And stop fucking around with girls there.
are you still sucking balls there?
Yeah. He's licking sweaty black balls.
Yeah. I heard you're in the stock exchange market and you do the what you call that, man?
Stock exchange.
Yeah.
He exchanges stocks. Yeah.
No. I mean, I think she's his tech support there.
Yeah. Tech support. He sucks in the internet. So I don't know why he's in tech support.
Yeah. How about Sophie?
His ex or his
Ex?
Yeah, he has a lot of exes.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Even she knows about it. Arwin, you better stop womanizing, start working, and start passing that fucking board.
and stop virginizing people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're gonna make a new record of
Yeah.
the virginized Asian women.
And you?
And yeah.
yeah. Did he?
Yeah.
Did he?
We had surprise butt sex one time.
Oh.
It was awesome.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, we hope to post more videos in YouTube, but unfortunately we have this forum controlling the net.
Yeah.
And
So we hope to post more naked pictures of ourselves, frolicking,
yep.
and shit.
Yep.
Yeah, you'd love it. Yeah. But YouTube would ban it.
Do you what? Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Yeah. Wasn't there a time when you got so drunk, dude, and you?
Hey, I don't lick your butt, man.
No, you had your.
I know we slept together, but I don't.
Yeah.
I didn't
You-
lick your butt.
You got so punch drunk, dude, and you were pouring beer over your dick and.
Yeah,
lick
I
it off.
remember a tequila with Tabasco.
And you
and-
stuck it up your ass, and you asked me to lick it.
Yeah.
You sick bastard.
Hey, but just to clear things, I'm not the one in the canister scandal.
Yeah.
He is.
No, he is.
He is.
He is. Yeah, he likes
Okay. Anyway, it's part of defense mechanism.
Yeah.
It's what, blaming someone.
He actually likes dog dick up his ass,
No,
especially German Shepherds.
no, I don't.
Yeah, he's a bestial.
I thought you like bestiality.
No, dude, I'm not a fur bag. Fuck fur bags. Yeah, he gets trolled, dude. He's just asking to get trolled.
Look, there's like foreigners there. Yeah, there it is. And
Gaijin.
Gaijin. Anyway,
Anyway.
it's just part of.
It's part of life, dude.
Mhm.
Welcome to globalization of
Mhm.
everything and anything.
Mhm.
Foreigners everywhere. You see Filipinos everywhere. They're multiplying like jackrabbits on Viagra.
Hey, I'm gonna edit all the explicit stuff.
Yeah, just censor it out, especially these. Yeah, just clear that out.
Yeah, I remember someone. What can you say about LM?
Tell them, I don't know, congratulations on getting a new girlfriend, but I hope it stays long and you don't go the faggotry.
Anyway, LM, I know it's all publicity.
Yeah, it's showbiz, dude. You gotta show you're straight even though you're gay.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
We know you're gay.
I know you're gay.
He knows you're gay because, well, it takes one to know one, doesn't it?
Yeah, anyway, birds with the same feathers flock together.
Fuck
right?
together.
No. I
Fuck
don't-
together.
No, I haven't fucked LM.
You haven't fucked them yet?
Yeah, but I'm planning to.
You intend to?
Yeah.
That's good. That's awesome.
And we're having a reunion, and it's time for me to execute my plans,
Yeah.
including you.
Yeah. I'm gonna.
I'm sorry, but I'm gonna include him.
Yeah. I'm gonna videotape the entire orgy. It's gonna be gay porn. We're gonna
Mhm.
publish it,
Mhm.
and she's gonna love it. I don't know that. You watch a lot of porn, dude.
No, I don't.
Yeah, yes, you do.
I'm gonna deny it because it's. Anyway, I'm gonna edit this.
You're gonna edit that out, you asshole.
Yes. Anyway, thank you very much, Jeff.
Yeah, fuck
And
you very
fuck
much.
you.
Yeah, fuck you too.
That's how we show love. Yeah.
It's good loving. It's fuck loving.
Yep. And Urban Bicolano never say no. We bees from the south, peace out.
Think this is what? Urban Bicolano.
The U
To the U, the underground.
to the R
Ready for a rhyme.
to the B
For the Bicolano
sounds to the A and N.
We're gonna take you down.
To the U,
the underground.
to the R
Get ready for a rhyme.
to the B
For the Bicolano sounds.
to the A and N.
We're gonna take you down.